Welcome to Click My Project.
Closeness, a new privacy measures for data publishing. Abstract. It proposed a more flexible privacy model called N-T closeness that offers highly utility. The desiderate for designing a distance measure between two probability distributions and present two distance measures. Identity disclosure often leads to attribute disclosures. Once there is identity disclosure, an individual is re-identified and the corresponding sensitive value is revealed. Attribute disclosure occurs when new information about some individual is relieved. That is, the released data makes it possible to infer the characteristics of an individual more accurately than it would be possible before the data release. Proposed system. Mainly it has two processes. They are a base model called T closeness and more flexible privacy model N-T closeness, and it achieves a better balance between privacy and utility. And N-T closeness allows us to take advantages of anonymization techniques other than on generalizations of quasi-identifier and the suppressions of records. Advantages. In this process, there is a more security will be available. It is a less time consuming process. The vulnerability of two similarity attacks, efficiency and data utility. Data flow diagram. First, we are going to collect the data sets and pre-processing the data. Pre-processing the data is the removal of unwanted data statements related data. Then moves to K anonymity. In K anonymity is also one of the security problems, and L diversity and anonymization. Here we are going to detect the anonymized data. Then finally preventing the data sets. So protect the data from the official process. From here, I am going to run the project Closeness in new privacy measures for data publishing. First, I am clicking to start button. It moves to next frame. It will be connected to next frame. It has a select data, load data, view data, and procedure. First, I am going to select the data sets from my system. I am going to select the data. Data set I am going to get. Here the data set will be displayed here. Then I am loading to database. Here these are data to be loaded into database. And here view data. The data to be displayed here from the column and row wise. Zip code, age, disease, salary, and counter. Then I am clicking proceed. Here I am going to pre-process the data. Here the data to be pre-processed and removed unwanted data. Then I am going to proceed. Here zip code only. Here zip code attributes only I am going to get here. Then age, then disease, what other disease are there, then salary, then count. Then I am clicking proceed, connected to next frame. Here I am getting the cancer. I am clicking cancer. The cancer zip, what are the people are having in cancer? There are the zip code, age, salary, and count are displayed here. Like that, flu, stomach cancer, bronchitis, gastric ulcer, and disease, heart disease. Then I am proceed next frame. It connected to next frame. Here I am going to get cancer. Here the zip code. It's a main in this closeness process. It's mainly theme of the main theme of detecting the unwanted details and protecting the record details. Here I am going the zip code. I am having last two digits. Last two digits are having star values. Here the flu, stomach cancer, bronchitis, gastric ulcer, and heart disease. Then I am proceed to next frame, connected to next. In here I am going to get anonymous data. Anonymous data only I am having. Then I am proceed to next frame. Here I am getting the values more than. Here I am having values less than 40 and greater than 40 values. Here I am going to get the data. Greater than 40 and less than 40 values. Here I am going to get. Then next value is getting the next values. here 477 values here I'm going to get. Here I'm getting 476 values. The next one is 479 values. Here I'm going to get the values. And the each or less than into more greater than. Here I'm going to give the proceed button. It moves to next. Here I'm getting the L diversity values, non-negativity values, and zero probability values. I'm getting zip code of the values, and then getting age values, and disease values, and salary, and finally getting count values. Then finally I'm getting the efficiency from values and QI size, diversity, distance L diversity, probability I diversity, and T closeness values. I'm going to compare here. And finally I'm getting the aggregate values. Aggregate relation have QI value and value, UI value and value comparing N, T closeness and L diversity. Thank you.